with the whole collar being sewn on the ends. That's one part. So we're going to take this, we're going to put right sides together. So we just take it, put the right sides together. Put your right sides together. To make sure they're all together. Everything's matching real good. Once you get your right sides together, pan it a little bit, because what you're going to do is you're going to go in and you're going to sew where these dots are. See the dots on there? You're going to sew at those places. So kind of put your needles in so everything's all stationary when you get to sewing. I don't want to like do it right here. Come on this way. You see how I got the dots on it? This and here. And then on this side, you're also going to come in and we're going to sew this first, which is the inside seam. And you're going to sew that. We're sewing everything inside out because we're going to flip it. We're going to flip the collar so that the facing is on the inside and everything. Let's see. Hopefully this works out really good. This is my first time doing this. I'm just reading the pattern. So, you know, if we make a mistake, we just get the seam ripper and fix it. Okay, so now on the inside, I'm going to do it like this way because that's the way I'm bringing the sewing machine in. I'm going to bring the sewing machine in like this so it doesn't hit the ball. And then once we sew the inside, we're going to go ahead and sew the outside the way that it is on the pattern. Okay, hold on, you guys. I feel something that looks not so good. But then, too, with me, I've cut the material just a little bit bigger than the pattern. Okay, so this way. So once you get it all pinned, the first thing we're going to do is sew the inside, I think at a 7/8 if I'm not making a mistake. I think I have to sew it at a 7/8. I have to go back and look at the pattern and see what it says after I pin it. Okay. And we're all good with the pinning. Right there, it like pinched a little bit right there. I'm leaving that pinch. I don't know, that little pinch ain't gonna hurt nobody. Just go right on over there and put a little pin. Okay. I'll be back in a minute, you guys. I'm gonna head to the sewing machine so we can put it all together.